Let's go play Minecraft. I hope there will be they told us there's going to be emergency alert. I don't really trust that. But if there is, I'm quitting. Oh shit, I forgot you don't need to play Minecraft. Okay, let's do it. What the hell is that? It isn't this. This is the Alberta emergency alert system. Bro, what the hell is this? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's the emergency alert, bro. Oh my god. What do they do? It's the emergency alert, guys. I don't know why I'm making a video, but it's the emergency alert, bro.